This is how to withdraw and cash out on Pawns app. In this video, I'll be walking you through how I cash out over $46 on Pawns app. You see, Pawns app is one of the best platforms to earn easy money online in Nigeria. All you need to do is to do simple tasks with that your phone, tablet or computer system. The objective of this platform is to review different legitimate platforms like websites and apps that will accept and will pay Nigerians. You will discover different ways to cash out your earnings from Nigeria, and you will also get to know exactly what to do to avoid paying charges in the process of cashing out. To make real money working from home in Nigeria, you need to interact with multiple platforms. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be introducing to you 23 apps that earn me money in dollars every day. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Click that notification bell. You get to know whenever I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Let me show you how I withdrew over $46 on Pawns app in Nigeria. Let's do it. You can see I already cashed out over $5 on this day from this platform, and I'll be cashing out this $46 right now, step by step, to my account in Nigeria. Don't forget, this is an extra income that you can start earning right now. You can make money in dollars up to $100 per game offerings, and don't forget to claim your free $3 sign up bonus if you are new to Pawns app. You will see the link below the description of this video to do that. For you to withdraw on Pawns app, you come to payout methods. You will get to this page. Your country will be defaulted here. You can see I'm working from Nigeria. If you are in another country, all you need to do is to click here and you select your country. As soon as you select your country, you'll be able to have different payment methods that is available in your country. These are the 3 payment methods that is available for me in Nigeria. Firstly, let's consider Payoneer. If you click Payoneer, Payoneer will always charge you 4% fee, and the minimum you can be charged is $0.25. The problem with Payoneer is that you can only use Payoneer if your earnings is like over $50, like $100, because they be charging you 4% of that money, and by the time your money gets to Payoneer, you cannot cash out if your balance is not up to $50. For Visa prepaid card, for you to cash out with this Visa virtual gift card is free to use. You will not be charged, but it's going to be difficult for you to convert this to cash. If you want to convert it to cash, the charges that will be taken will be too much for you to bear. The only reason when you are to use this is when you want to use it to make a purchase online. So the only option you have is Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, you will still be charged 4%, but there is what to do not to be charged. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Bitcoin. I will click Bitcoin. You can see I currently have $46 plus, and I will be using Bitcoin to withdraw, but I will be charged $4. This is the best choice for me now. It may not be for you. I will explain later, but I will set up my wallet. There is a way you can do this thing without you getting charged. To set up your wallet, you click add address. You go to your destination and copy and paste your wallet address. Then you click up. When you use Bitcoin, you have opportunity to cash out for free. That is to avoid the 4% charges. Only if you decide to use this exchange to cash out your Bitcoin. This is the BitLocus platform. You will see the link below the description of this video. Sign up and you're going to get some welcome bonus. But wait, before you sign up, make sure you complete your account verification. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to take out your money after you must have transferred your earnings from Pawns app to BitLocus. If you decide to use BitLocus, you just go to BitLocus, copy the destination Bitcoin wallet, paste it here and click update, and you'll be okay to go, and you can avoid paying charges. You click update. You have to go to your authenticator. Your authenticator could be your email, but I'm using Google Authenticator. I will input the one-time passcode that is generated. This is for your security to ensure that you are the rightful owner and you are collecting your funds. You key in the one-time passcode that is sent to you, or the one you pick from your Google Authenticator. Then you click authenticate. Click authenticate. You can see your settings were updated successfully. What you just did now is to set up the wallet. wallet. It's not the withdrawal. So now come back to withdraw and click Bitcoin. You click Bitcoin. I'm cashing out through Bitcoin. You can see my current balance is over $46. You click withdraw, but you can't just withdraw. You still have to authenticate. This is real money we're talking about. You go to your email to pick the one-time passcode, or you use your Google Authenticator. I'm inputting mine now. Then you scroll down, you click authenticate again. You can see your withdrawal request was successfully. The payment is successful. Status is pending. I'm yet to get the money. At the end of the day, I'm going to get over $42 due to the charges. So all you need to do now is to go to that crypto exchange platform to check if the transfer has been delivered. And you can see that I received the money the same day. It is Bitcoin and this is the amount. You can see that this website is legitimate and you can cash out your money in Nigeria. This is just a proof of payment. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will learn how to cash out to any bank in your country. You can see you can make good money on this platform. You can see my current balance. This is the second day just after cashing out over $46. And what is the best way to use this platform? Look at it. You can make money by playing games with your phone. You can make money by taking surveys on this platform. And if you can share your extra data with this platform, all you just need to do is to sign up to the app and leave it running in the background of your phone, tablet or computer system every day. The money you will earn with this method will be minute compared to when you take surveys and when you play games on this platform. For you to learn how to use this platform to your advantage, watch this full video of a step-by-step process of how I earned this $46. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch that video later. Thank you. You now know how to cash out your earnings on Pawns app. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, sign up and claim your free $3 sign up bonus that is offered by this platform. You see, I'm sure you know you can work and make money online in Nigeria. For you to achieve that, you need to work with legitimate platforms that accept and that will pay Nigerians. This is why I already put together for you over 23 apps and websites that pays me money every day in Nigeria. This is why you need to watch this video. You will see my proof of earnings and how you can cash out. Ensure you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Please drop your comment. I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.